Welcome to Joe's Secret Garden. Today I'm going to show you a really simple and efficient way to get your strawberry runners rooted and started. I think this is going to be the best method that you've ever seen, and let's get to it. Very, very easy. This tree is filled with runners that I've already cut and prepared and put into water. It's as simple as that. You put it in a tray with water. This is my seed starting trays. It comes with a reservoir at the bottom to hold water. It comes with a seed tray here that fits into the face tray. And what I've done simply is put some water in, not much, about that much water, about 1 centimeter full water. Put that much in, and you simply cut each runner, trim the excess bits off, and you let them sit with the crown or the base of it resting in the water, and in a few days they'll start roots. So let me show you what I'm going to do right now. So let me find my trusty clippers. Here they are. So simply I'm going to cut this off at the base, the umbilical cord. Set that aside because that's done. And now we've got our 2 runners on here. So snip this bit off and snip this bit off. Now we're just left with the runner. Take that and you pop it in the water. Same here again. We cut the umbilical off, snip, not much left on. Take that, put it in the water. And these are some that I did a few days ago. And I did these a few days ago, and I did them at various stages of runner development. So some were older, some had larger developed knobs like these, and some were on the tips of it. And so you'll see the different stages. So let's have a look at what's been happening here. So these have been in here for a few days, and if you look, you'll see all these lovely new roots on. This one here, see, it's quite tiny, and that's sending out a root as well. So this method absolutely works. Let's have a look at some more. Same thing here, different stages of development. You can see a little root starting there, and we've got some starting there, and that's just in water. Let's have a look at some more over here. These that are crowded, let's pull a big bunch out. Look at that, look at all those roots. And I tell you, this is nothing but water. No fertilizer, no nutrients, nothing added. A clean seed tray with a reservoir at the bottom. Put about 1 centimeter, half an inch of water, just so that that nodule at the bottom that would normally sit on the ground or sit on the soil to root, let that sit in the water for a few days, and you get roots. And there you have it, the easiest way to propagate your strawberry runners. And once your roots have reached once your roots have reached a length that you're happy with, you simply pot them on. What I've done, because I am changing out all my strawberries next year, I have decided to have a lot of runners this year so that I can rejuvenate my entire strawberry patch. So let me show you what I've done. When I buy flowers or seedlings or starts, I always save the trees because they always come in handy. So what I've done, I've potted up runners that I've started in this water method. I've started them in here. So I'm going to pull one out. So I put these in a few days ago. It's giving, it's some give and tug, and you see there's some roots coming on there. So I'll stick that back in. Let me show you another one, maybe this one. And yep, roots coming on here. And this is my 2nd year doing this method, and it has absolutely worked for me. There you have it. So the best way, the most efficient way, I think, of starting your strawberry runners. No need to have tons of different cups looking for things to put soil, no baggies, no nothing. A simple tray and water. Easy.